Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm at Prime Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I have a really new, very interesting car to show you. To my right is our 2019 C300 4MATIC Coupe. So while there's a lot that's changed on the C-Class for the new 2019 model year, I have this coupe in this is a graphite gray metallic paint, so it looks absolutely beautiful, and you can see that new headlight design. We have our LED stripe along the top, but here you can see that multi-bulb function is a new design for 2019, especially on the C-Class. You'll see that diamond grille up front. That's something that might look familiar. And then as you start to come around the vehicle, you're going to notice a few different things. If you take a look at this front bumper, we have new air ducts on the side there, gives it a really sporty look. And right behind that is the new 5-spoke AMG wheel. That's an 18-inch rim, and you can see that gray actually matches that graphite metallic paint, so it's a really, really cool combination. And then as you move down the vehicle, we have our turn indicators, our blind spot assist on our door mirrors, chrome along our window frames. This will all look familiar. And then come around the back here, we have our wraparound LED tail lights, our C300 and 4MATIC badging. So that 4MATIC is our all-wheel drive system. Absolutely phenomenal in the snow. We have a nice spoiler up top here, gives it a really sporty look. And as we come around the car, you'll see that the gray and the same kind of flowing design continues into the interior of the vehicle. So now let's hop inside, take a look. A lot of changes on the interior to the 2019. I want to start right away with the key that you have here. So this will look familiar for E-Class and S-Class for 2018, but it's moved over to the C-Class. We have a graphite MB-Tex leather interior, so it matches that exterior color. Some other changes you'll see is our steering wheel. So this is more like the S-Class that we'd seen in the previous model year. Our cruise control settings are now on the steering wheel as well, so we have much more brushed aluminum. Looks really, really sporty. One of the big things you're going to notice right here is the screen that's up front. So this has been lengthened and kind of squeezed up, so it's a bigger screen, new design. We have a new screen in the middle too as well, so a lot of really cool changes. And then this wood trim as well. This is a new open grain wood trim for 2019. This particular vehicle has our panel roof up top and a lot of other great features like Apple CarPlay. So why don't we take a look at that? We'll get right into it. So I have my cord here and my iPhone, so all I'm going to do is plug in just like that, and you'll see it start to load up on the screen there. So this will look very familiar for anybody who's seen Apple products before. I can cycle through my phone calls, my music. You click on.
Would you like me to read
on messages? You can show all the text that you have. The car will read out your messages for you, and then if you'd like, you can just hit back to home. Go to your music. You can pull up your Apple Maps. So this is really cool because you're familiar with everything that you're already using. It's a really, really awesome and very convenient feature to use. One other thing you'll notice is the ambient lighting that you'll see through the vehicle. So you can see this blue coming from along here. It is during daytime now, so it's a little harder to see, but you have multicolor ambient lighting. Really, really cool feature on this vehicle. And then you'll see we have our new steering wheel as well. So if you have any questions about this particular 2019 model or any of our new inventory we have here, you can give me a call. My name is Spencer. You can call me at 207-210-4796, or if you'd like, you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.